not stop for any man who chides from taking joy, since love is pleased to spare. And being gay, a gay song I'll prepare to gladden loyal lovers and me besides. For joy delights us when the rest are irate, so to us every joyous gift is consecrate. Else no man ought to taste of love's desire, unless from failing he can well retire. And if he blames not good and ill, he'd not enjoy his day. Know you why now I fear that love may cease, whence worth and all fair living's tender care. For the richest who should show it mercy rare, we see they turn it most to misery. But from those who are from love so separate, love takes joy within every good estate, and promises if it could hold them in its fire, it will not deign to hear their prayers desire. And I wish well the false may find betrayed. But I fear love may act in just this way, through wickedness prized far from worse repair, as the wise man who knew how to prepare from the rain that maddened others hopelessly. So the madmen held him for a fool irate, until he matched his sense to their mad state, and went into the water his wits to fire. For such times run when evil must expire, elsewhere I see not where worth may find its stay. Therefore love honors me as the most free, wanting me to sing its own to make them care, knowing me true is for love's need to declare. And never once to water did I prove false or flee, so I render her 1,000 thanks elate, for she has placed my heart in such rich estate, that joy in me grows when I think and admire how my lady past the best makes praise aspire, with graceful worth and greater lordly sway. But I act like the stag who, when he saw with glee the shadow of his horns in the fountain's care, in great pride, until he began to stare at his lean feet, and loved them not as he loved the horns, for they seemed so delicate. Yet his feet had saved him in his flight's estate, until later his horns made him in briars expire. So I leave for her who slays me with desire, many pleasures love from another would convey. But honor set aside, great profit comes to see that before all abandon one should prepare a place known high and dear. For a lover's care must guard that folly not deceive him truly. But you, love, have kept me well from that estate, making me love a beauty's flower, consecrate of all the goods that make a lady's praise aspire. My skill fails to fulfill a great worth in time, but if it please her, I'll be honored as friend for it. Lord, how can he have such wisdom and such might, since he pleases to maintain my right? With him I'll make my songs forever grateful fire, and to my lady who merit please or grief.